Yeah, I am in a quandary kasi kung sinasabi nga ninyong ganun lang kaliit at kung minsan ay lugi pa kayo, may nakita po akong video na in-interview kayo mag-asawa. Tinanong po kayo ng nag-interview sa inyo, ah, ilan bang net worth ninyo? Tapos naalala ko, kinorek nyo pa yung misis ninyo at sabi nyo nasa 10 or 11 digits. Binilang ko po yung 10 digits to 11 digits ay billions po yon. Do you remember that interview?
Yes, Your Honor. Kaya lang, pinalabas pa rin nila kahit kinorek ko po yung misis ko.
Ano yung kinorek? Ano yung sinabi mo number?
Kasi hindi naman po ganun kalaki talaga.
Ano sinabi ng misis ninyo?
Kaya lang, pinilay pa rin po ng, ng show po. Pinilay pa rin po.
Please answer my question, sir. What was the answer of your wife when she was asked how much is your net worth?
Parang nagkamali po siya. Parang...
Hindi. Ang tanong ko lang, ano po ang sinagot ng asawa ninyo? I'm not asking kung sinasabi mali o hindi.
Hindi na po siya sumagot kasi syempre po baka po mapahiya din siya sa show.
At ano daw yung sinabi niyo?
Sinabi ko hindi naman ganyan kalaki.
You're telling us that neither you nor your wife ever said the number 10 or 11 digits ang inyong net worth?
Yung profit po ba yan o yung kabuuan?
Yung ari-arian po ninyo.
Yes, umaabot naman po kung isasama po yung iba pang properties.
So umaabot sa, yung billions po?
Ano po, kasama po yung doon, yung properties po.
Yes, billions po yon in pesos. So how do you reconcile the fact that you're telling us in your affidavit 2 to 5% lang ang kinikita ninyo, kung minsan lugi pa, pero ang inyong ari-arian ay umaabot na sa bilyones na pesos?
Your Honor, 23 years po naming pinagsama-sama pong income po yun. Hindi po siya nangyari po ng year lang po na yun. Mahabang panahon po, 23 years po, Your Honor.
Ngayon, nagsimula po kayo mag-flood control projects sa 2016. Tama po ba yun?
Your Honor, hindi po. Nagkaroon na po kami ng paunti-unting flood control. Panahon pa po ng President Gloria Arroyo pa po. Tsaka panahon pa po ni President Pinoy po, paunti-unti.
During the past administration, how many projects or more or less how much worth of projects were you awarded during the previous administration, not this one?
Hindi ko na po masyadong matandaan, Your Honor, yung mga nakaraang administration. Basta accumulated po, medyo marami-rami na rin po. For from 2012.
Are you willing to provide this committee with the information of how many, where, and how much each of these projects were that were awarded from 2016 to 2022?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, may we ask Mr. Chair that that be submitted. Kaya po ninyong may submit yan na by tomorrow?
Your Honor, mukhang mahihirapan po.
How many days do you need then?
Mga 5 days po.
Thank you. Just one more, if I may,
Mr.
Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair, may I be recognized for just one, just related to the question of Congressman Jokno?
Wait, can he finish na lang po? I think you're almost done, Congressman Jokno.
Well, I have no more questions of Mr. Diskaya. I just have 1 or 2 questions of Mr. Lubiano, if I may, Mr. Chair. But perhaps if the Congressman Abante
Last
would
question
like
na po
to...
siguro, Congressman Jokno.
Opo.